We've all been to that 4th of July party. You know, the one with the folding tables, the onion dip, your annoying neighbor, and everything else that goes with it. This 4th of July can be different. With a little help from TNT Fireworks. Last year, Anaheim voted for the return of fireworks, and in 2016, it's time to fire up the fun. Beginning June 28th, pick from one of 2 convenient Anaheim locations to make your purchase. Raise money for area nonprofits and celebrate Independence Day like never before. This year, save the party with a trip to TNT Fireworks.